Title: Golfer, Mastering the Greens. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word golfer. A golfer is an individual who plays the sport of golf, navigating courses and striving to complete each hole in the fewest strokes possible. It's a term that signifies skill, patience, and a passion for the game. Pronunciation. Pronouncing golfer is straightforward. GOLFER, with a soft G and a long O. Use in a sentence. For example, the golfer displayed remarkable precision in her swing, earning admiration from fellow players. Importance. Golfers are central to the spirit of the game, as they bring skill, sportsmanship, and the joy of competition to the greens. Conclusion. In summary, golfer is a word that represents those who mastered the art of golf, a sport that combines technique, strategy, and a love for the outdoors. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word, exploration. Until then, celebrate the dedication and skills of golfers worldwide.